In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's how to export your Notion pages or databases quickly. Exporting is a simple way to save a copy offline, share content with someone who doesn't use Notion, back up your work, or move your information into another app. To get started, open the page or database you want to export. Make sure it's exactly the content you need. If it's a database, choose the view that shows the records you care about. If it's a page, give it a quick scan to confirm everything is up to date and ready to go. Now look to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the options menu for your current page or database. From here, select Export. That will bring up the export panel where you choose how your content should be saved. Next, pick your export format. PDF is best for reading or sharing because it locks in the layout, making it easy to print or send to anyone. HTML is ideal if you want a lightweight web page version. Notion will package your page as a folder with an index file and any images, so you can open it in any browser. Markdown and CSV are great for editing elsewhere or migrating to another tool. Pages become clean .md files, and database tables export as .csv files you can open in spreadsheet apps. If you want everything nested inside the current page to be included, check Include subpages. This bundles child pages into the export so you don't miss any supporting content. Leave it unchecked if you only need the top-level page or the single database you're viewing. Keep in mind that including subpages and lots of media can increase the file size and the time it takes to generate. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will generate the file. You may see a brief progress indicator. Larger pages and databases can take longer, so keep the tab open until it finishes. Once it's ready, download the file. It will land in your browser's default downloads location. Open it to make sure everything looks right. For a PDF, scroll a few pages to confirm the formatting. With HTML, double-click the index file to browse the content in your browser. For Markdown and CSV, check the folder structure and open a couple of files to verify your text and tables look correct. Consider renaming the downloaded file or folder to something descriptive so you can find it later. And that's how you export pages or databases from Notion. Quick and easy.